rainbow. It's losing its color. And my bucket is empty.
Oh no! Our rainbow has lost its colors.
Don't worry. Rainbow friends, let's help bring them back. We found red. Can you say red?
Red.
Fantastic. We found yellow.
Yellow.
Great job. We found blue.
Blue.
Wonderful. We found green.
Green.
Amazing. We found purple.
Purple.
Excellent.
Hooray! We saved the rainbow.
Today we learned red, yellow, blue, green, and purple.
Thank you, rainbow friends. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for learning with me. You're a rainbow friend. See you next time.